Hey there guys, Bruce from Pro here. Today what I wanted to do was walk you guys through removing the power and volume button on this S20 Ultra. Anyways, it's a pretty simple thing to do, but again, people have a lot of questions. It seems to be sort of the go-to. And don't forget, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so again, you got everything off. I've got other tutorials that I'll link in the description here. But again, we've got this broken down, and really we just want to have this available here so we can remove it. Alright, so kind of where we want to start again is like the other ones. It's just kind of working your way and getting this guy out of here. So just kind of taking some pliers or whatever the case may be, and just sort of working that out like this until we get it out. So it's kind of out like that. Usually they come in two pieces. This guy does, so you can see that it kind of sits like this, and then this sort of sits inside like that. So then the buttons press up against these guys here. Anyways, now that that's off, you can just sort of press on this here, and here, and the little things that are little knobbies that are sticking out. And then as you can see, this is starting to come out here, and then you can just sort of wiggle this guy loose like that, and they just come out now. Like that. And then you do the same thing with this button here. Kind of press on it, and it just pops out pretty easily. Kind of like that. Yeah, and to put everything back together, you kind of just do it in the reverse. If your button breaks or whatever the case may be, you just kind of stick those guys in like that, and then again like that. And then for this one, see that these are kind of here, and you just put it in together. And then put it in. If you're getting resistance, you just need to push back the little knobs here. Make sure that those aren't there. Again, these guys sort of sit in together like that. Put it here so you can see it. And then you just go like that, and then they go in like that. You can see that here there's a little space or a little gap for that one of the parts to go in, and you just kind of press them down like so, and then you check them, and they're working. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Again, if you like, please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.